everyone, this is Sarah from Sarah's House of English. Welcome to my channel. Today we will be learning how to say the months of the year. 一年の月の言い方覚えましょう。Okay, so look, listen, and repeat after me. Okay, let's learn the first month. The first month is January. 1月. Look, listen, and repeat after me. Okay, ready? January. 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 Okay. The next month is February. 2月. February. 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 Last time. February. The next month is March. 3月. March. 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 The next month is April. April. 4月. April. 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 The next month is May. May. Ready? May. 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 One more time. May. The next one is June. 6月. June. 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 The next month is July. July. 7月. July. 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 Last time. July. The next month is August. August. 8月. August の AU はあと発音します。August. August. August. Okay, last time. August. The next month is September. 9月. September. 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 Last time. September. The next month is October. October. 10月. October. It's an O, but the English O is not the same as the Romaji O. So we don't say October. We say October. October. Okay? So please look. October. 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 The last part, burr, is a strong R sound. Okay. The next month is November. 11月. November. The V sound. V. November. 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 The last month is December. 12月. December. 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 Good job, everyone. You can use the months of the year to talk about your birthday. You can ask when is your birthday, and we also use the months of the year to tell when we're going to do something. For example, in August, I am going to Okinawa. Last September, I saw fireworks. In December, We have Christmas. Things like that. Okay, that's all for now. I'll see you next time. Bye.